Hello dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about 3 marks question. We have already done that 5 questions of 3 marks. Today what is the remaining 4 questions we will discuss in this session, children. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, what you have to do? Go and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, children. Without wasting much time, let us start today's class, children. That is 35th question. We have to start from 35th question, children. The 35th question says that state Hooke's law, draw stress strain curve for a metal like copper. Let me write the statement for Hooke's law first. Hooke's law, it states that in a elastic member the stress is directly proportional to strain within an elastic limit. It means, children, it states that in an elastic member, the stress will directly proportional to strain within an elastic limit, children. That is the meaning of that statement. Let me draw the stress strain graph first. We have to draw stress versus strain. Here it will be strain versus stress. In y-axis we have plotted strain, and in x-axis we have plotted stress, children. X-axis, y-axis. Children, see how I will draw the stress strain graph, children. It has come to down and again moved up, children. See what happens. Here I will give the name A. Here B. It will be C dash. It will be C. And it will be E. And the dead end point will be F. Children, what you mean by A means it is a proportionality limit, children. Let I write here. A is a limit of proportionality or proportionality limit. Let I write proportionality limit. And next, the B is an elastic limit, children. B is an elastic limit. And C dash, it is in the upper position. So C dash will be upper yield point, children. Upper yield point. And what is C? It is in the lower limit. So C will be lower yield point, children. Children, what is E? E is ultimate point. E is ultimate point. What is F? It is a fracture point. What is F? It is a fracture point, children, because it is in the last position. Here we have completed the 35th question, children. Take down into your notes by pausing the video. Let I write 36th question. Let I read the 36th question, children. Write any three applications of Bernoulli's principle. It's an easy question, children. Let me want to write the three applications of Bernoulli's principle. It is 36th question. Let I write here. Children, Bernoulli's principle is used in aeroplane working, means aerospace working, children. Used in I will write aeroplane. You are familiar about the aeroplane, so I will write aeroplane working. The Bernoulli principle is used in aeroplane working, and it is used to blowing the roofs, children. Roofs. It is used to blow the roofs, children, as well as used in Bunsen burner. Bunsen burner, children. Let I write another one. They have asked only 3. I will write 4. Attraction between two parallel vehicle or body. Let us stop here. It means attraction between two parallel vehicles as well as in Bunsen burner. Bunsen burner is used in laboratories, children. Take down into your notes by pausing the video. Let I move to the next question. As we want to do numericals part also, children. In the next video, I will do the numericals part. In this video, we should complete 3 marks question. The next question is 37th question. Write any 3 properties of thermal radiation. It is also very dead easy, children. 37th question. Properties of thermal radiation means, let I write a point wise. Any 3 we want to write. It means thermal radiation. It means thermal radiation travels in vacuum with the help of velocity and light, children. Velocity and light. I will write the easy points, children. I will not make the applicative part. It travels in the vacuum with the help of velocity and light, children. Let me move on to the second point. It travels in straight line as same as light, children. It means that it will travels in the straight line. How the light will travel? It will move in the straight line. It means 3.8 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Like that, in straight line, the thermal radiation will also move, children. That is the definition of second point. Let me move to the third point. It undergoes reflection. You are familiar about the reflection, refraction, and total internal energy, children. Children, it means it will undergoes reflection and refraction as well as total internal energy, children. Let I write another point. This is very important, children. That the last point is, you should not miss this. It obeys inverse square law, children, it will obey the inverse square law. Children, I think you are all know what you mean by inverse square law. Let I erase this. Take the screenshot, children. Let me move to the 38th question. It is the last question of 3 marks, children. It is a 38th question. 38th question. Define the terms amplitude, frequency and wavelength of the wave, children. It's asked from waves chapter. Let me define one by one. Amplitude first. First of all, I will get amplitude. Amplitude. Let I read the definition. Amplitude of the wave is the distance between mean position and extreme position of the oscillating particle, children. What do you mean by amplitude? Amplitude of the wave is the distance between mean position and the extreme position, children. Extreme position of the oscillating particle. Let me move on to the frequency. Let I give a number 2. Frequency means it is the number of waves. It is the number of oscillating waves, children. I'm sorry. Oscillating waves per unit time. This is very important, children. Per unit time. This is the main word. Whatever frequency means, it is the number of oscillating waves. It means a counting of per unit time, for how much per second, per minute, per hour, like that, children. Let me move on to the third one, wavelength. Let I give the number 3. Wavelength is the length of a wave. It is the length of a wave, or we can write it as it is the distance between two consecutive particle of a same phase. Children, what do you mean by wavelength? It is the length of a wave, or we can write it as it is the distance between two consecutive particles of the same phase, children. Here the 3 marks question is ended up. Let me see next part, that is the part D, numericals, children. We will skip the part 5. It means the main number 5 because they are all derivation. You are all familiar about this in your colleges or schools. I hope have you understood today's class. If you have understood, please like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, students.